never been distracted when you're working or studying? In this 21st century, people have plenty of entertainment with the advanced technology. We can no longer concentrate easily when comparing to the past. For example, we cannot focus easily when we are having meetings or doing projects. Especially for we, university students, often face difficulty in concentrating on course assignments and reading. Requiring a high self-control ability at a low concentration level, we need to figure out solutions in order to solve the problem. So, what common strategies adopted by students to deal with this concentration problem?
Quite a number of people believe that chewing gum can increase their concentration. In fact, there are a lot of articles and researches proving that chewing gum can indeed increase our concentration. A study from the British Psychological Society showed that chewing gum can help us to stay focused on longer tasks that require continuous monitoring. But is this the truth? What is the relationship between chewing gum and concentration? To find out, we will need two groups of students to perform the following experiment. But first, let's see what people think about chewing gum.
First of all, we did some questionnaire about the relationship between concentration and chewing gums with some interviewees. Since many studies show chewing gums is beneficial to our brain function, to find out the truth, we conduct the experiment by playing memory game. All the cards are filled down. Players need to find out the matching pairs. They are called to be success when they find out all the matching pairs. When they are finished, we will record the completed time. In this memory game, we divide into two groups, including control group and test group. Starting with the control group in the library, let them play the game for a few times so that they are familiar with the game. Then they will perform the task. After that, the time are recorded. The test group repeat the same procedure but with chewing gum, this time when playing the game. Since there are many factors that influence the result, we repeat experiment in podium.
From the result, the average of control group took 2 minutes and 6 seconds and 66.8 flips in quiet place, while taking 2 minutes and 29 seconds and 96.2 flips in noisy place. However, the average of test group took 1 minute and 47 seconds and 63.2 flips, while taking 2 minutes and 28 seconds and 72.2 flips in noisy place. It is shown that the test group, which is having chewing gum during the test, can perform a better performance in our experiment. They have both shorter time and fewer flips in library than the control group. Nevertheless, it seems that chewing gum doesn't make difference when the test was done in library and podium.
Based on the result, we can conclude that chewing gum can help us to boost our concentration level in quiet place. But why? According to a study on human subjects with functional magnetic resonance imaging by the professors T02 and Miyamoto, chewing gum involves a lot of parts of the brain. The mouth nerves and prefrontal cortex are involved in the physical act of chewing. Chewing gum also seems to activate our brain and may help with processing information we read. This explains why concentration level indeed increase with eating of chewing gum. To conclude, there is proof that chewing gum may help us to stay focused when we are doing tasks requiring continuous monitoring. So, when we are lack of concentration, why don't we take a chewing gum next time?